15 powerful keyboard shortcuts that you might not even know. You probably know some of the coolest tricks to make your computer experience easier and faster. But you might not even know some this key combinations that could save tons of your time. Ready? Number 15. Ctrl+A. This basic keyboard combination selects all text or objects in the page or active window. Number 14. Ctrl+J. If you want to quickly view the list of all your downloaded files, simply press Ctrl+J. In Microsoft Word, this sets justify alignment. Number 13. Ctrl+H. This is your go-to combination when you want to view all the sites you visited. Here, you can clear your history, data, cache, and cookies to make your computer faster. This also serves as a link when you want to revisit those sites. Number 12. Ctrl+Home key or End key. You probably get annoyed when scrolling to long documents or at least dragging the scroll bar just to reach the end or top of the document. But no worries, here's the trick. Pressing Ctrl and End key at the same time takes you to the very end of the document, text, worksheet, or page, while Ctrl+Home key helps you get back to the top in a snap. Yeah, easy, right? Number 11. Ctrl+Mouse scroll wheel. Hey, you'll definitely love this combination. Scrolling the mouse wheel while pressing the Ctrl key zooms in or out your active window. This is a must when you want to enlarge images or text, especially when reading and capturing screenshots. Cool. Shift+Delete. If you want to permanently delete a file, just press Shift+Delete. Note that it will not be sent to your recycle bin, therefore, you cannot restore it once deleted. This is useful when saving disk space. Number 9. Alt+Number codes. Here are some of the coolest Alt key codes that might come in handy. Note that when using a laptop, numlock key should be on, and you should use the numbers on the keypad, not the ones on top row. Here's number 8. Alt+Tab. Pressing Alt-Tab switches between all open applications in the taskbar. The Alt key is pressed down while the Tab key is used to cycle or choose what you need to open. Number 7. Windows key plus print screen. Hit the print screen button to take a screenshot of the entire screen. In order to view or save the screen capture, it is necessary to paste it to Word or Paint. You may use the Windows key plus print screen to take a screenshot, and it will be saved as a PNG file in the Pictures folder, located in File Explorer. Let's move right along to number 6. Windows key plus E. Pressing the Windows key plus the letter E runs the Windows Explorer, which lets you browse files on your computer. Five. Windows key plus X. The Windows key plus X opens the secret access menu, exposing system functionalities such as the command prompt, disk management, file explorer, run, and more. Yeah, did not know this existed. Number 4. Control-Shift plus less than or greater than sign. What this shortcut does, it increases or decreases the font size, one preset size at a time. Down to number 3. Shift plus F3. Stressed out when you need to change the letter cases of an almost finished document? No need to frown. Highlight those texts and hit Shift plus F3 and voila! Switch between upper, lower and sentence case. Number 2. Control plus Shift plus Escape. Have you experienced your Windows stuck with loading screen? Or simply not responding? Yeah, it is annoying. I bet most of you quickly shuts down your computer, and patiently waits until your computer restarts. Want a quicker access? With the Control Shift Escape, you call up the Task Manager, and simply end those unresponding applications with the End Task button. Time and effort saved. Finally, the last but not the least, our number 1. Windows key plus right or left arrow key. Let me teach you a hack. When you want to compare or view two different files side by side, use this combination. Windows key plus left arrow makes a window fill up the left half of the screen, while Windows key plus right arrow makes a window fill up the right half. Just make sure to open them in separate windows. See? You can effectively split the screen into two working spaces. Hey, thanks for watching this video. Here's a bonus just for you. Want to quickly go to your desktop? Simply press Window key plus D. If you learned something new today, please give this video a like and share it with your friends. Hit subscribe button and notification bell, so that you will be updated when new learnings have been uploaded. Have a nice day.